Hey guys, my name is Yan Sikorski. Today I want to share with you my top 7 ideas for the next trading session. First of all, let's see how my previous ideas work out. Let's start with euro dollar, and euro dollar recommended to you if price hold above 1.1290. Long this currency pair, the first target around 1.1340. As you can see, price hit my first target. Another idea was in the pound USD. In the pound USD, as I said, if price from false breakout of 1.25, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short. As you can see, price form false breakout and then hit my first target around 1.2430. Canadian dollar. In Canadian dollar, I recommended you long if price form reversal model near support of this consolidation. As you can see, price from reversal model and hit my first target around 1.36. Another idea was in oil. In oil, as I said on the previous recommendation, after false breakout of this level, 40.50, you can short oil. The first target around 39, the second target around 37.50. As you can see, price hit my first target and second target too. Another idea in AMD. This is advanced micro device. I recommended you long these stocks when price hold above 55.50. As you can see, price not held above this level, that's why no entry points. Biogen still in consolidation between 272 and 260, that's why also no entry points. And CD and S, I recommended you when price hold above 94 along these stocks, but unfortunately, as you can see, price not hit my first target around $97, just hit my stop loss. That's why I cannot say these ideas work pretty perfectly. Well, right now let's move on to today's ideas. Well, let's start with euro. In euro right now stay near important level around 1.1220. That's why it's pretty depends on how price will break for this level. If price form false breakout or reversal pattern near this level, it will be nice opportunity to take a long. In this case, the first target will be around 1.13. Another scenario probably around 20% if price with an impulsive form breakout of this level, 1.1220, then pullback, fractal, it will be nice opportunity to take a short. In this case, the first target will be around 1.1150. Another idea in the pound USD. And the pound USD, as you can see right now, price in the middle of the range. That's why we have to wait when price go until 1.25. And when price go inside this level, I expect the price get a bounce from this level. I will be wait some sort of reversal model or false breakout of this level. And it will be a signal for short. In this case, my first target will be around 1.2350 in a pound. Canadian dollar. In Canadian dollar right now, price tries to get a bounce near. Right now, price near important resistance level around 1.3650. And right now, price formed reversal model. That's why you can short this currency pair. In this case, the first target will be around 1.35. Also, if you can see how price with an impulsive from breakout of this level, then pullback, fractal, or reversal model, it will be a nice opportunity to take a long. In this case, the first target will be around 1.3750. Another idea in oil, as you can see, oil right now also near important support level around 37.50. That's why the scenario if price with false breakout formed reversal model here, it will be a nice opportunity to take a long. In this case, the first target will be around $40 per contract. And also if price with an impulsive from breakout of this level, then pullback, fractal, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short. In this case, the first target will be around 34.50. Another idea in gold. As you can see, gold right now stay above important support level, yep. And if price with an impulsive from breakout of this level, then pullback, fractal, and from false breakout of this level, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short. As you can see here, your first target will be 17.45. Another idea, and the last, not the last, another idea In S&P 500 also falling down yesterday, and from breakout of important support level around 30.60. Right now price try to test this level. That's why it pretty depends on how price will be react for this level. I mean, if price falls breakout of this range, it will be nice opportunity to take a long. In this case, the first target will be 31.40. Also, if price from breakout of this level, I mean 3,000 in S&P, we can expect for the price falling down until 29.40 level. Another idea and the last idea in Apple right now, as you can see, Apple like. In this case, we have to wait how when price falling down until 355. When price falling until 355, this is nearest important level in Apple right now. We have to wait how price will break for this level. I mean, if price forms reversal model or falls breakout of this level, we can long the stocks, and our first target will be around 372. If price is an impulsive from breakout of this level, then pullback fractal. Yeah, in this case you can short the stocks, and in this case the first target will be around 344. Well guys, I think these ideas help to make money on the next trading session. Hope you enjoy and see you in the next videos.